Hello everyone, welcome to Biz Innovate. I am Neeraj. Every organization sells some product or service. So we need to set up product catalog when we work with opportunities, quotes or orders. A well-defined catalog make life of seller and customer easy and also help in making selling fast and accurate. In today's video, we are going to cover product families, unit groups, price list and price list items, products, discounts, product bundles and related products for upselling and cross-selling. So let's jump to demo. For setting a product catalog, first of all, we will going to talk about product families. Go to sales, click on app settings, go to catalog, family and products. With the help of product families, we can categorize the products. Under product families, we can have more product families, we can have products and we can have bundles. For purpose of demonstration, we have already defined some product families. You can see this is a fun and eat root level product family. Under this, we have defined food and toys two product families further. Click on this. Name and ID are mandatory stuff. One more thing, in product families, we can define product properties which are required by all the child entities. Click on food, properties. Like we have defined a property over here, shelf life. Any product which will come under this family will have this property by default. We can also see family hierarchy by clicking on this icon. Like this diagram showing fun and eat is root level product family, under which we have another family food, which further have 4 products. Other family is toys which don't have any product as of now. So after defining families, we have to define unit groups. What basically are unit groups? Unit groups are meant for measurements of the products. For example, liquid we measure into liters and gallons. Rice, nuts we can measure into kilograms. Similarly, few items like apple, orange, mango we can count by numbers. So each group have multiple units. So let's go through unit groups now. Like we have liquid unit groups over here, under which we have units liter and gallon. Gallon is 3.8 liters. Other is default unit. Here single item 1, dozen means 12 of single unit. So far we have defined product families and unit groups. Now let's move to products now. First of all, let's see, we have a product over here, banana. As you notice, unit group and default unit are mandatory fields. This is the reason we define unit group and units before the product. Decimal supported. Some countries have 3 decimals in currencies like Oman. You notice this property came from product family because this product is under family food. Similarly, we can define other products as well. So we have defined apple and banana, two products for demonstration so far. After defining family, unit groups and products, now we'll focus on price listing. So what is price list? Basically, every installation, every organization have some base currency. Like in our case, USD is base currency. But organization can do transition into multiple currencies. So they have to define one base currency and multiple transition currencies. For each currency, we can have multiple price list. For example, we have defined retail for retail customers, wholesale for bulk buying customers. So you notice that we have multiple price listing for each currency. Let's go to retail. Under price list items, we are selling banana as single unit and we charging $1 for this. We selling banana in dozen as well and we charging $12 for this. Similarly, we are selling apples in single unit and dozens and few other items over here. In wholesale price list, we are selling apple in dozens, banana in dozens. We are not selling into single units. So here we charging $10 for dozen, whereas we were charging $12 for banana for a dozen in the retail price list. So you notice that we are charging different amount for different items under different price listings. So we can categorize customers and can sell at different price for different categories, different territories and all. So far we have defined family, unit groups, products and price listing. Now it's time to sell. Let's make a new opportunity. Let's choose price list. Revenue. It have two options. System calculated means pricing will come from the price list. Second option is user provided means you can put manual price. Fine. This is known as quick create opportunity product. It is a classic way of adding product to opportunities. Now we have more enhanced view as well. So let me enable that. Go to product catalog settings and enable the enhanced experience for adding products. Let me enable it. Now you can see we have enhanced view to find the products. The benefit is you can select multiple items altogether. I'm adding banana, single unit and apple as well. As we are retail price listing, so we're getting the price for retail. Let me add more products. So you can also see enhance view show item in the different families like this way. Recently used. When we have a product under price list known as a standard product, sometimes we also need to sell some product ad hoc. In that case, we have writing products. Like for example, you can see. Let's assume now we want to modify the price list. Add product. Now you can see this interface modified as per the price list. Dozen 10. Now a dozen of banana is costing me $10 instead of 12, which was the price for the retail. You also notice there is a discount of $1, so amount is coming at $9. So how discount came, we're going to cover under discount lists. So I hope you understand how to work with price list and price list items. Let's go back to price list again. When we define price of a price list item, in this demonstration we have used pricing method currency amount. For advanced settings, we have 5 more options for which we are going to cover under a different video. Now let's move to discounts. Let's assume for New Year we're planning to have some discount. Under discounts we have discount types. Like if you buy 1 to 10 item, discount is 10%. When you buy 11 to n number of items, discount is 20%. When you create a discount, you have 2 options of discount types. One is by percentage and one is by amount. In our demonstration, we are using percentage. We go to price list, under wholesale, under items, for banana, for dozen we have discount. If somebody buy a banana, under wholesale they'll get a discounts. You notice that here discount is provided to banana and a dozen for the wholesale. Now we are moving to a more advanced topic, which is the product bundles. So let me describe you first what is product bundle. When one of your product is selling fast, other is not moving so fast, we can bundle these two products together and try to sell together. Sometimes we also make product bundles depend on the user needs, like for example camera plus tripod. A bundle can have two or more products. Let's jump to bundles. Family and products, active bundles. So we have defined a health bundle. It's under the parent food. This health bundle under the default price list of the retail. Under bundles, we have two products. Banana, 2 dozens, apple, 2 single units. And for bundle, we can also have separate pricing as compared to individual products. Like for this, single bundle is costing $20 to customer, which is a little cheaper price as compared to individual products. So bundle is not visible. Reason being, we have chosen wholesale. If we choose retail, save it. Now bundle is available. Sometimes customer want to choose products which are not under the price list. And go back to wholesale. See, bundle is not here. So we can do that. We can request admin under product catalog settings. We have option make price list optional. Now this opportunity have no price list. I click on add products. I can see all the products irrespective of the price list. I can see we have health bundle for $20 in which we have 2 dozen of banana and 2 single unit of the apples. I hope you understood the logic of the bundle. Now we move to our next topic, which is the related products for upselling and cross-selling. We have a product pineapple. Under additional details, we'll see product relationship. So when we define relationship, it asks you what kind of relationship, cross sell, upsell, accessory or substitute. Like in this case, we have defined cross sell. It means when somebody sell apple, it will recommend pineapple, and when somebody sell pineapple, it will recommend Apple. So let's test feature of the related products under opportunities. Choose Apple. Click on suggestions. We can see pineapple over here for cross sell. Add to list. See. Now we can see pineapple added over here, which is helping us in cross selling and upselling the products. So far we have discussed product families, unit groups, price listing, products, discount list, product bundles, and related products. I hope you enjoy this demo. To see more demonstrations of this kind, please subscribe. Thank you.